or lease in the morning.
Well, looks like we've got a request for Atama's Throw Your Hands in the Air. Yup, that tribute song to John Geisa. But sadly, I can't roll it because there's been a huge protest from a recording company claiming right to the song. Tell you guys what, I'll roll you the latest single from Atama. It's the follow-up Back in Your Face track called Can't Stop the Sumazao.
Just raise your arms, swing your feet, we'll show you how. Both young and old can do the sumazao. Just raise your arms, swing your feet, we'll show you how. Both young and old can do the sumazao.
How many talents have been ripped off? Singers has been cheated off. Hard work making music, but never get a cent off. The album sale, royalties of the retail. Guess like pirates of Mr. Protest can go to hell. Ibaristos gon keep to City no Halisa. Justin Stimol to the late John Geisa. Where's the love for the music, love for the industry? They deserve their pop, but where is the money? It's been sucked, right? But Kinabalu pirates, big cheeky ones that makes my mind irate. I know why they're stepping me, testing me, protesting me. Do you have MCs that can battle me? So listen carefully to the words of this MC. This is the beginning of a new hip-hop territory. Soon there will be thousands of MC rappers like me who'll be representing the sounds of the NBC.
Swing your feet, we'll show you how. Both young and old can do the sumazao. Just raise your arms, swing your feet, we'll show you how. Both young and old can do the sumazao.
Planning the massacre with lyrics and tracks. Atama and Johnny Black, we leading the pack. Warriors lining up, getting ready for the attack. Never worry, cause you know I got your back. It's purely lyrical, it's about poetry. It's dedicated to the enemy within this industry. They always be saying, tolong orang kita. At the end of the day, become pirates alita. I give a tribute to my hero JG. They protest cause they wanna make some more money. Ask them for proof, they say I don't know. No legal act back then, you think I don't know? Somebody's trying to stop me from making history as the original, the first, the primary MC to drop my epic style. They better take a bow. The name is Atama, you can't stop this sumazao.
Swing your feet, we'll show you how. Both young and old can do the sumazao. Just raise your arms, swing your feet, we'll show you how. Both young and old can do the sumazao.
Back to basic, kicking the old school. Another fat Sumazao hip-hop track, Mawakulung party rolling. Yup, I hear the Sumandax calling. Johnny Black and Atama, we get the program installed into your system. My ass can